Getting in a breaking input on Kashmir Integration Day, Mehbooba Mufti once again seen towing the park line again. She has batted for talks with Pakistan and wants Article 370 restored, which is not surprising really. But once again, she's come down heavily on the centre, has dubbed August 5th as a day of mourning in reference to 2 years since abrogation of Article 370. Let's play out that reaction.
देखिए, आज का दिन जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए मातम का दिन है। ये लोग आज जो हैं मातम मना रहे हैं, जो जुल्म, सितम और बर्बरियत का दौर शुरू किया 2019 में बीजेपी की सरकार ने, उसके लिए यहाँ के लोग नालान हैं। और बड़े अफसोस की बात है, पूरे मुल्क के अंदर बीजेपी आज इसकी खुशियाँ मना रही है जिसका कश्मीरी मातम मना रहा है। लोगों की पकड़ दकड़ चालू है, दुकानदारों को जबरदस्ती ये कहते हुए कि आपकी लीज कैंसिल की जाएगी, दुकानें खुली रखो। ऑटो वालों को ये बताया जा रहा है कि आप ऑटो चलाओ ताकि यहाँ जो इन्होंने गोदी मीडिया के लोग लाए हैं वो यहाँ नॉर्मलसी दिखा सके। हजारों की तादाद में हमारे बच्चे, हमारे लड़के यूएपीए के अंदर बंद है और इन 2 दिनों में भी कई नौजवानों को थानों में पेश किया गया, उन्हें वहाँ बंद किया गया है कि जब तक 5 अगस्त निकलेगा तब तक थानों में बंद रहना है। तो ये जो बर्बरियत है, ये जो जुल्म है, सितम है, ये नहीं चलेगा। हम इसकी मजम्मत करते हैं और इसको हम रेजिस्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि हमारा वजूद तभी कायम होगा जब हम सब लोग मिलके, जो इन्होंने 2019 में 5 अगस्त को किया, जब तक हम अपनी कानूनी पोजीशन बहाल करके मसले कश्मीर के हल के लिए हिंदुस्तान की सरकार को मजबूर करेंगे वो जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों के साथ भी बातचीत करे, इंटरनल डायमेंशन एड्रेस करने के लिए और एक्सटर्नल डायमेंशन के लिए भी वो पाकिस्तान के साथ बात करे। इसके बगैर कोई चारा नहीं, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वो पाकिस्तान के साथ बात कर रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से सीज फायर हुआ, जिसकी वजह से इन्फिल्ट्रेशन कम हुई। तो हमारा मानना है, पीडीपी का मानना है कि जम्मू कश्मीर को हिंदुस्तान और पाकिस्तान के बीच में अमन का पुल बनना होगा। ये लड़ाई झगड़े बंद करने होंगे और जो 2019 को जो फैसला हुआ है वो बीजेपी को आखिरकार वापस लेना होगा।
Zeenat, my colleague, is joining us live as we keep you ahead on all the updates we're picking up as far as the Kashmir Integration Day is concerned. Zeenat, you know, we're not surprised by this kind of a reaction coming in from Mehbooba Mufti, but once again, when the entire nation is celebrating 2 years to abrogation of Article 370, everyone is talking about the changes that have essentially taken place over these 2 years in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. You have this particular PDP leader, Mehbooba Mufti, once again coming out and batting for talks with Pakistan.
Absolutely, Christine. We are seeing that Miss Mufti again hit roads here in Srinagar a while back, where she was talking to the press, and she also protested against the decision taken by Union of India, Government of India, on 5th August 2019, when Article 370 was abrogated and the integration of Union Territory was with the rest of the country. In fact, there are celebrations in other parts of the country, but as Mehbooba Mufti said that she and the people of J&K do not accept the decision taken on 2 years back, but they want that this decision should go back. The preposition should return to Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu and Kashmir should have its own constitution, the way it was, should have the flag the way it was. And she has also considered this and termed this day as Black Day in the history of Jammu and Kashmir, and said that people are protesting about it, and there are the youngsters who have been lodged in lockups. They have been told that they will not come out till 5th of August, till this day peace paces off peacefully. And then she also talked about the high-handedness of other departments on ground. But Mehbooba was allowed to take the protests here in Srinagar. She held protests outside the party headquarters of PDP, and she again pitched for the talks with the Pakistan, as she said that nothing is possible without the talks with the Pakistan. And also said that the government of India is talking to Pakistan through back channels. If they can talk with Pakistan through back channels, why can't they talk with country like Pakistan? openly and said this is the black day and government of India should revoke the decision and should return what was there for Jammu and Kashmir that was given at the time of accession. The party held the protest outside party headquarters in Srinagar, and also the another protest was witnessed in Jammu, where the PDP also held the protest asking the government of India to revoke its decision. PDP yesterday also during the PAGD meet, the leaders said that it is a Naya Kashmir joke of BJP is completely hawks on ground. People are questioning the authorities, those who are on chair, and BJP is also throttling the democracy and the democratic rights of the Kashmiris. Nothing is normal on ground. There are protests. We have been seeing the law and order not very much normal. That is what the PDP claims. But simultaneously, if we take the figures that have been coming out from the security forces, or for that matter, Jammu and Kashmir police, you see there has been the statistics that has come from the JKP, where they have showed that the law and order situation has really improved. Earlier, there used to be the incidents of more than 600 in previous years, but after the abrogation of Article 370, the figures have come down to the minimum. Even during the encounters, the maximum encounters without a collateral damage was done. And also, if we take the figures of 2 years back, there was some 167 youngsters who joined terror ranks when